Hi, in this short tutorial I would like to show you how you can follow our showcase page. So on LinkedIn you actually just go into the search field and you type social procurement. Theoretically you could type it with the hashtag as well. You will immediately get a list of results about what social procurement is. And basically you can either just take the first one here, or I go a little bit longer way. I press enter. Then I get a list of different results, and now I select for companies. Now, obviously, in the companies page, you will see here our focus site, social procurement. You can now either just click on follow here, and then you're a follower, or you go the long way again. You visit our page first, which will show you our page, and then here you say follow. Of course, this works for any other page as well, but of course, our page is more important to follow. Now, what is important? If later on you see a post of our page in your timeline or in your feed, however you want to call it, it's important that you like those posts, because only by this they will remain in your feed. Or to say it different, LinkedIn has a tendency to remove posts from showcase pages and from company pages very soon if you never interact with those posts. So if you would like to see the content that we provide, make sure that you usually like it, and that helps us and that helps you. I hope that was helpful for you, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.